how to make money on Redbubble stickers. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using Redbubble stickers, all for absolutely free. So guys, without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into redbubble.com. Redbubble.com. So guys, firstly I want you to come on to redbubble.com, and over here what I want you to do is simply click on the designs, and I want you to type in stickers. So once you type in stickers, you will see all the products that have stickers basically on top of them. So we have individual stickers, we have stickers on top of different things, we have stickers on shirts, we have stickers on so many more places. Now the thing is, stickers over here are selling for $1, $2 per sticker, and guys, that is a lot of money once you understand that like stickers are so easy to make. So what you can do is that you can do the exact same thing and follow this exact strategy to actually set up your own e-commerce store on redbubble.com. So now what I want you to do is come on to Pixelscom. So guys, once you come on to Pixelscom, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply type in anything over here, anything that you like. I'm gonna type in cat, and then after that I will see all these cat pictures come up. So now what I want you to do is pick out the most beautiful cat picture that you can possibly think of with a big background. I'm gonna pick this one, and then I'm gonna click on download, and then I will simply download this onto my computer. Now once I have it on my computer, I can simply move on to a website called Removebg. Now once I come on to Removebg, what I can do now is that I can simply upload that very image over here which I just downloaded, and once I upload that particular image I will be able to see it over here, and then the background is going to be removed in just a couple of seconds. So just wait for a few seconds, and then this background is going to be removed and it is going to be clean, and you will essentially be able to use it as a PNG for yourselves. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and then this is going to load up. So now from over here, simply download this particular image once you have the background removed. So once you click on download, click on save, and now you have that particular image as a without background image over in your computer. So from over here, come back to Redbubble, and I want you to sign up on Redbubble. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply click on sell your art. Now once you do that, that is going to take you over to their sign up page. Click on start selling, and then simply put in all the information that they're asking you about. If you're an artist, sign up as an artist. If you're a customer, sign up as a customer. So like simply like do that, and then I will catch you guys in just a second. Now once you've signed up successfully, now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply click on your avatar, and then I want you to click on sell your art. Now once you do that, wait for a few seconds, and then this is gonna come up. So now to set up shop, what you essentially need to do is simply like put in an avatar, add a cover image, add a special link, you need to add a bio too, and then to get paid you need to add some more information as well. But for now, click on add designs, and then after that, simply from over here upload that sticker that you just removed the background of. So I'm simply gonna take a look to see where I downloaded that, and then simply upload that particular image over here. So like that is gonna take like a second to upload, and now this is uploaded. So in the title, I want you to like type in something catchy. So in the tags, I want you to type in cat, lonely, bow tie, cute, and you can even like type in a small cat and stuff like that. So like once you do that, after that I want you to like simply put in a description. In the description, I want you to put in stuff that is related to your cat. So like this doesn't have to be like something very long. This can be a very basic thing. You can type in the loneliest cat of the 21st century. So after that, simply choose the background color. Click on the background color, and then after that simply click on the black button. So like simply darken the shade. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to just simply pick out any piece of clothing over here. So from over here, simply choose any shirt, any cap, or anything essentially that you want to sell. So like you can even sell this as like stickers and magnets alone too, or like iPad covers, or like basically book covers, or something else like that. So guys, like honestly, this is so easy. So from over here, now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply check two of these tags. So like these are photography tags, and then we have more tags. I'm gonna simply check two of these tags, and then basically check to see how many products can you sell this on. So like simply from over here, go till the end and click on save work, and then simply choose no on is this mature content and save that work. So once you do that, simply check this box too, and then simply just let it process, and then your product is going to be published onto Redbubble, and then people are going to start making orders, and you can just simply ship it out in the form of many different things. Like we have magnets, we have stickers, we have glossy stickers, transparent stickers. Like there are just so many options. So now from over here, once you have put this in, what you can do now is that you can simply click on complete your payment details to open your shop, and then after that simply put in all these personal details. Now once you do that, you are all set to basically sell. So like they're gonna ask you for your residential address, your personal details, your postal address. So simply do that, save changes, and then you can start to add more products. So like once you have done this, you have essentially just completed the whole process, and now you understand the whole method. Now guys, there are a couple of other websites as well which you can use to basically source your images. We have a Pic Wizard. Now guys, Pic Wizard is another amazing software. Like you can literally grab the picture of this fork, remove the black background, and then sell it as a shirt. Like honestly, people buy crazy stuff because people like to stand out, and when they get stuff like that, they really stand out, and that really makes a world of a difference. So from over here, what you can do is that you can simply search and basically get yourself a product. Similarly for Unsplash, what you can do is that you can grab images, grab stickers. Like you can type in cat over here, and then you will see a cat image over here. So like honestly, it is that easy, and I think that this cat image is really cute, and anybody would buy this shirt with this cat on it because it's really cute. So guys, like that is basically what you need to do, and that is how you can basically improvise on this whole process. Now coming back to Redbubble, what you can do now is that you can simply back up, and then after that you can simply start to upload new work as well. Like for example, you can upload patterns over here, you can add titles, and then you can basically expand your whole niche. So over here in the title, I'm gonna type in the best emoji collection, and then after that you can basically put in tags saying that emoji, collector, dog, sad, happy, cap, like all these different tags that are related to your pattern. After that you can even put in I read a tag too, and then add a description. So all in all, now you have a very nice looking pattern. For the background color, choose something vibrant like green or yellow, and then after that just let the website see how it can sell your particular product. So you can sell it on all these different products, and you can make quite a lot of money while doing so. And then the exact same procedure follows. You simply choose these two tags, click on no, click on save work, and then check this box too, and then simply publish your work, and you are all set to go. So guys, it is that easy to actually get started with this particular method, and honestly I don't know why most people don't do it, because this is literally so easy. So once you've done this, you now basically have a shop on Redbubble, and you can actually start to receive orders in passive income through just stickers alone. Plus the more products you have, the more there are your chances of actually making a lot of money with Redbubble. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and till next time, goodbye.